Hello students, now we are continuing the next examples of factors exercise 5.2 question number 6, that is D and E divide side BC and CA of a triangle ABC. Point D and E divide the side BC and CA of a triangle ABC in the ratio, its ratio is 2:3 respectively. Find the position vector of the point of intersection of AD and BE and the ratio in which this point divides AD and BE. In answer, we will give 2 points, that is point D, point E and triangle ABC. Draw the triangle ABC. Its ratio is 2:3. And point D and E divide the side BC. Point D divide the side BC and E divide the side CA. And its ratio is 2:3. And find the position vector of the point of intersection of AD and BE in the ratio in which this point divides AD and point B divides the point AD and B. Let's consider the position vectors of A, B, C, D, E and F. That is small a bar, B bar, C bar, D bar, E bar and F bar. The position vectors of point, that is capital A, B, C, D, E and capital F. Respectively, position vectors of the points. Then given the point D divides the segment of line BC, therefore the point D divides side BC, divides BC in ratio, that is 2:3. Ratio is 2:3. Suppose the line BC, point B, C, and it divides the D bar MN ratio, that is 2:3, divide D, then position vector, that is D bar, is equal to MC bar plus N into small b bar divided by M plus N. Position vector formula of internal division. Therefore, bisection formula, then we write small d bar is equal to 2 into C bar, value of M is 2 here, then 2 into C bar plus value of N is 3 3 into b bar divided by, put the value of m plus n, that is m is 3 and n is 2, that is 3 plus 2. Therefore d bar is equal to 2c bar plus 3 into b bar divided by 3 plus 2, we get value is 5. We will give equation number first. Then same term, point E divide the line segment AC or CA. Then next line, point E divides the line CA in ratio 2:3. It divide also ratio 2:3. Then same question, then we draw the line segment, suppose point C to point A, CA. It divide the point E, ratio m as to n, its value is 2:3. Then we find position vector of E, that is E bar is equal to small a bar into m, that is m into small a bar plus c into n, that is n into c bar, n into c bar divided by m plus n. We use this formula, that is by section formula. Therefore by this section formula we write the value of E bar is equal to, value of m is 2, put here, then 2 into a bar plus value of n is 3, that is 3 into c bar divided by m is 2 and n is 3, that is 2 plus 3. Therefore we write E bar is equal to 2a bar plus 3c bar divided by 2 plus 3, that is 5. We will give equation number second. Let F divide, that is the intersection of AD and BE, that's line AD and BE intersection. Therefore the F divide AD in the ratio m has to 1, that is constant term cas to 1. In constant term we take any alphabet. Therefore we write here, let F divide line AD in ratio m has to 1, suppose. Then we use here section formula. Therefore by section formula we write the value of f bar is equal to m into d bar plus 1 into a bar divided by m plus 1 ratio. We will give equation number third here. Then f point divide b in the ratio, f point AD divide in the ratio m has to, it is m1 and b n1. Then let me take the point F divide the line B in ratio n has to 1, and we use here bisection formula. We use section formula and we write the value of F bar is equal to n into A bar plus 1 into B bar divided by n plus 1. We will give equation number 4. From equation 3 and 4, left hand side is equal, that is F bar. Then we compare the above equation 3 and 4. Then we get value of F bar from equation 3 and equation 4. We compare the above terms. Then we get the values of F bar, that is left hand side is equal. Then we write the right hand side, that is md bar plus A bar divided by m plus 1, m into d bar plus A bar divided by m plus 1 is equal to n into A bar plus B bar divided by n plus 1. Then we put the values of d bar and E bar. That is, the value of d bar is 2c bar plus 3b bar divided by 3 plus 2, and value of E bar is 2a bar plus 3c bar divided by 5. We put these values and we write the above equation such a way, that is m into value of d bar, that is 2c bar plus 3 into b bar divided by 5, then plus A bar term remaining and divided by m plus 1. Same is equal to n into value of E bar, that is 2 into A bar plus 3c bar divided by 5 plus B bar divided by remaining term, that is n plus 1 value. That is the from equation first and equation second. Put the values of D bar and E bar. Then we get above equation. Then we get the above equation when we put values of D bar and E bar. Therefore we write, then we multiply m and we get 2m into C bar plus 3m B bar plus 5 into A bar divided by 5 divided by m plus 1 is equal to 2n A bar plus 3n C bar plus 5 into B bar divided by 5 divided by n plus 1. Then we rearrange the above equation and we get 5a bar plus 3m into B bar plus 2m into C bar divided by 5 into m plus 1 is equal to 2n A bar plus 5b bar plus 3n C bar divided by 5 in bracket n plus 1. arranging the above equation and we get the value. Here 5 get cancelled and we write above equation, that is term separately 5a bar divided by m plus 1 plus second term 3m into b bar divided by m plus 1, third term that is 2m into c bar divided by m plus 1 is equal to 2n a bar divided by n plus 1, second term plus 5b bar divided by n plus 1 and last term 3n c bar divided by n plus 1. We get the values. Then we take the equality of vector that is a bar term, b bar term and c bar term. Then we get 5a bar divided by m plus 1 is equal to 2n a bar divided by n plus 1. A bar get cancelled and we get the value is 5 divided by m plus 1 is equal to 2n divided by n plus 1. We will give here equation number 5. Same term, second term that is 3mb bar divided by m plus 1 is equal to 5b bar divided by n plus 1. b bar get cancelled and we get term that is second term 3m divided by m plus 1 is equal to 5 divided by n plus 1. We will give equation number 6 and last term that is 2mc bar divided by m plus 1, 2 into mc bar divided by m plus 1 is equal to 3nc bar divided by n plus 1. c bar get cancelled and we get equation 2m divided by m plus 1 is equal to 3n divided by n plus 1. We will give equation number 7. Observe the all above equations from equation 7 divide equation 5. When from equation 7 divide equation 5, we get equation 7 divide equation 5. We get therefore 2m divided by m plus 1 is equal to 3n divided by n plus 1, then divided by 5 divided by m plus 1 is equal to 2n divided by n plus 1. m plus 1 get cancelled, n plus 1 get cancelled, n get cancelled and we write the remaining term that is 2m divided by 5 is equal to 3 divided by 2. Then 2m is equal to 3 divided by 5 into 5. Therefore value of only m is equal to that is 3 divided by 2 into 5 divided by 2. We multiply and we get the value of m is equal to 15 divided by 4. It is the value of m. Same way from equation 7, equation 8 divide 5, we get the value of m. Then we write 2m divided by m plus 1 is equal to 3n divided by n plus 1, that is equation number 7. Then 3m divided by m plus 1 is equal to 5 divided by n plus 1. m plus 1 get cancelled, n plus 1 get cancelled. Here m values get cancelled in equation number 8. Then we write the remaining values, that is 2 divided by m is equal to here 3n divided by 5. Then n is equal to 2 divided by 3 into 5 divided by 3. Then is equal to 10 divided by 9. It is the value of n. We get the values of m and n. Then we write from equation 3. Therefore, from equation 3, we write f bar is equal to md bar plus a bar divided by m plus 1. Put the values here. M is equal to, value of m is 15 divided by 4. That is 15 divided by 4 into d bar, that is 2c bar plus 3b bar divided by 5 and plus a bar remaining term divided by m plus 1 term is equal to 5 3s are 5 get cancelled, 3s are, and then we write 3 into 2 we get 6c bar, 3 into 3 plus 9b bar divided by 4, then plus a bar term, that is remaining term, divided by value of m and 1 we put, that is 15 divided by 4 plus 1 is equal to, we write 6c bar plus 9b bar plus a bar divided by 19 divided by 4. Then 19 divided by 4 and here 4 get cancelled, and we write the value of f bar is equal to 6c bar plus